In this video, I'll show you how to turn on automatic updates in Steam. To get started, open the Steam desktop app and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click Steam in the top left corner of the window, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, click Downloads from the menu on the left-hand side. If you have games installed, you'll find the Schedule Auto Updates option in this section. Since I don't currently have any games installed, this option isn't available on my screen, but it will appear once you have at least one game in your Steam library that's installed. When you see the option, simply turn it on to enable automatic updates for your games. You can also choose the time window during which Steam is allowed to download updates. Just set your preferred start and end times. For example, you might schedule updates overnight so they don't interrupt your gaming during the day. Once you've saved your settings, Steam will automatically update your installed games during the time period you've selected. That's all there is to it. That's how to turn on automatic updates in Steam. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.